In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making strategy from start to finish on how you can start to earn some passive income with cryptocurrency. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So I want to show you where I'm getting this cryptocurrency from. So I own like 2 Bitcoin miners right now on this software, this firmware, which is in Slush Pool. And I showed you a video just a couple of days ago. Depending on how I order these videos, I want to show you that I just got paid out inside of my Exodus account. I always withdraw my money from these and deposit them in different websites. So this is the actual payment of 0.009 BTC. So you can see that right there, guys. So now since we have, it says $53, but I have some in like Bitcoin Cash or something. Yeah, right there. So you can see that I have $44 right here that I got from this, and I got this money or these miners from free websites like I'm showing you right now, guys. So if you can see right here, once you sign up to cryptowin.io, I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you guys can get started right away by actually going to the right website. So this is a website that I've came across and I checked out reviews on it, guys. You can see right here in Trustpilot, it has over 308 reviews and it's almost a 5-star. So this is highly recommended, and this was an hour ago by this person. I love it. Legit website and the best, fastest or faster website in withdrawal. Minimum withdrawal 200 satoshis. So from checking out some of these green ones and some of the bad reviews, guys, I went ahead and wanting to deposit some money inside of here. Let me show you how you can actually get started for free with this website. So as soon as you sign up with the links down below, you're going to come straight over here to where it says view ads. Once you have clicked on view ads, guys, you have 2 options. You can view PTC ads or you can surf websites. So I like to surf the websites just because it's more like passively in a way, because all you do is just click on this button where it says open surf. So once you have clicked on that, guys, you're gonna be getting 1 satoshi for just staying on this website for 10 seconds. But once this page loads up, you're gonna see 2 ads right here. You're gonna look for a surf button on this page or somewhere on this whole page possibly. So you can see the surf button is right there, guys. So let's click on it. It's going to lead you to that ad. Now you just have to wait there for those 10 seconds or 15 seconds or whatever the time limit is up here in the top left hand corner, guys. So once that is complete, it's going to say the word success right there. Now it's loading in the list again, so we can exit out of this ad. Let's go back to the website. It's going to reload the page by itself, or you can click on rewards and whatever it was, surf ads. So we're going to scroll down and we can do the next one. 10 seconds, 1 satoshi, 10 seconds, 1 satoshi. And you might be asking, well, Edward, where is the passive part of this website? Let's go over here to where it says earn interest really quick. So once we have opened up the earn interest site, you can see that I have 13 satoshis total. I have 0 active shares. I have 0.7% daily return. 0.7% is not that bad at all, guys. So what I'm gonna do, since I've seen the good reviews and I kind of have a little bit of trust in the site, not really a lot, but it's still some, and all you need is a minimum of 1,000 satoshis. Well, I'm going to go ahead and deposit that 1,000 satoshis so I can start to earn that daily interest right there of 0.7%. So let's deposit. Let's click on this right here, copy, and let's go back to my Exodus real quick. Let's go to send and Control V. Let's go to how much satoshis is that. So that looks like we're gonna be sending over 7,000 satoshis, which is only $3.37, which is, guys, not that much at all. So we're gonna be spending $1.68 to send that. So let's go ahead and send that over, and it's being sent now. So now since it has been sent, let's go back to the website real quick to see if it's instant or if we have to wait. So it says it usually takes about 2 network confirmations, which is totally fine for me. What we're gonna do in the meantime is just go over the rest of the website real quick, and what I would recommend you not doing is coming over here to the BTC multiply and the lottery section, because we want to withdraw money as much as possible from here. We don't want to risk, gamble, or lose any money from this website. So what I would say is stay away from these 2. Possibly stay away from offer walls as well, just because it takes so long in order for you to actually get any little bit amount of satoshis from there. So the only 2 things I would recommend is either depositing, which I would recommend you not doing if you're not willing to lose it. And I would recommend you coming over here to doing the view ads, which is PTC ads and surf ads. So you can do both. So PTC ads is pretty much the same thing. All you do is just come over here and visit it for a little bit longer, and I mean, you're going to get a little bit more satoshis, but not that much satoshis in general. So let's just go ahead and do one just to see how long it'll take, if it'll take that long to actually be deposited in my account. So once we have clicked on it, now we have to wait that full time for it to load, most likely do a CAPTCHA, and then we'll be led back to the website. So I'll be right back. So now since we are back, guys, it didn't show us a CAPTCHA, it just said congratulations, you've earned 3 satoshis. So let's exit out of that real quick, and now this might be way better than these surf ads. Again, I recently just signed up for this. I seen it have good reviews. I looked at it and it seemed pretty interesting, but the interests are pretty high, or the interest is pretty high. So that's what's making it sort of like fishy in a way. But I mean, let's just go ahead and give it a try. Why not? So let's just refresh this page just to see if it deposited or if we have to wait. And if we have to wait, then I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so the money has been deposited inside of my account, as you can see right there. It took about 20 to 30 minutes, I'm going to say. So you can see I have 7,000 satoshis because that was the minimum I was able to withdraw from Exodus. So let's go back to earn interest really quick. Let's go over here to where it says buy shares. So let's type in 7. So we're gonna buy 7 shares because each share costs around 1,000 satoshis. So I'm gonna be getting around 343 satoshis every single week from just this website alone for depositing only 7,000 satoshis inside of this account, guys, which is not that bad at all. So let's go ahead and buy these 7 shares, and let's see what happens, guys, when we purchase it. If the active, there it goes, it switched automatically to active, and now I'm going to start to earn that 0.7% daily interest right there, guys. So if you want to see the daily accrual or the daily deposited back inside of my account, inside of the Satoshi balance, we can go over here to where it says my shares, and it's going to show you how much we're going to be getting every single day, guys. So this is my deposit. So once we come back out of this, I believe it's going to start to show how much we're going to be getting inside of our Satoshi balance in here, which is we're going to be pretty cool. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to wait and see what happens within the next week or two, and I'll make an updated video showing you proof that this is possibly working, or if it's not working, well then it's going to be a scam, guys. So I'd recommend you guys not depositing any money inside of this account or inside of your account. Just come over here, get started for free, and let's see what happens, guys. So I have high hopes for this, and I'm going to try to get my money back as quickly as I possibly can, and after that, guys, it's nothing but profit. So let's see what happens. The links are going to be down below for you guys to get started. My name is Carreno. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.